Latvia, a 12th grader. Now I'm going to read a narrative text entitled The Snake Prince. Let's get straight to the video. Once upon a time in a Japanese village named Kaliurang, there was a strange tradition. Every child who turned 18 had to get married immediately. If someone reached that age without marriage, the whole village would be considered a disgrace. In that village lived a young girl named Darcy. She had just turned 18, but she was not married yet. Her parents were worried that she would bring shame to the family and the entire village. Out of fear, they locked Darcy inside a room until the village elders decide what to do. Complication. One day, the village representatives agreed to take Darcy to a hill. According to the ritual, she would stay there for a week and had to find her own partner. After 7 days in the dark and quiet hill, her parents come back to ask if she had found a soulmate. To their surprise, Darcy thought she had already found one, a snake. Darcy returned home with the snake, and soon after, a wedding ritual was performed. The next morning, the village were astonished to find piles of gold coins inside the couple's chamber. Each coin was valuable enough to feed a family for months. The village kept the secret, but eventually the news spread to another nearby village named Talunamba. In Talunamba, there lived a 20 years old unmarried girl named Salty. Hearing about Darcy marriage to a snake and the god that followed the wish to do the same, she instead on staying at the hill, hoping to meet a snake and become rich as well. After a week, she too returned with a snake and soon married it. But unlike Darcy's story, Salty's fate was tragic. On the wedding night, her parents and villagers heard her screaming, yet they ignored it. The next morning, when they opened the chamber, they were her to find that Sarti had been eaten by the snake. Resolution. The truth was finally revealed. The snake in the hill was actually Prince Dharma from the Mataram kingdom. A jealous witch had cursed him into becoming a snake because the prince had always tried to stop her evil plan to control kingdom. When the kingdom learned about his son's fate, he was devastated. In his grief and danger, the king captured the witch and sentenced her to death. The moral value. 1. The moral of the story is that great and blind imitation can only lead to disaster, while sincerity and patience bring blessing. 2. We should not blind follow others just because we desire. 3. The same result as very situation is different. 4. Faith rewards those with pure heart. 5. True blessing come from real happiness. 6. Every choice have consequence. 7. Tradition should not blind people to humanity and compassion. 8. Jealousy and malice will eventually destroy the one who covers them.